Hi, welcome to Vanu Analytics. Again, this is the dashboard is developed by Vanu Analytics. This dashboard is designed for e-commerce sales revenue loss and how it is going. The revenues hidden losses. Where what is the root cause of the hidden losses? So we can see here. This is the this is the dashboard is explaining about the churn customers. The cancelled orders, the cancelled revenue, the total revenue, and what is the reason for the cancelled orders, how much the cancelled orders affected for the revenue, the reason for the cancelled orders like delivery delay or product delay, etc. So we can see here the line chart is explaining about the churn customers versus against the revenue loss on the churn customer wise. And this report, this visual is explaining about revenue loss on payment type. The loss should be debit card, credit card, etc. These ways how much the losses has been uh, happened. And this chart is explaining about revenue loss on the location wise. The location wise how much the revenue loss is going in the going. And this download chart is explaining cancel orders on the order status, and the order status which is approved, cancelled, created, delivered, invoice, processed. And this is a different types of order status wise, the cancel orders. And again here, uh, the cluster line and bar chart is explaining about the cancel revenue on the late delivery, which has in the timeline the period, the timeline, the or the duration wise. And this is the page number 2 of the e-commerce sales analysis order details. And this page is this report is explaining about the order details. And we can see here the cancel orders, the delivery speed, on-time orders, installment orders, and the line chart is explaining about the orders over the time. And we can see the time, what is the how many orders we orders received. And the bar chart is explaining total orders and the delivery speed. We can see here the delivery speed should be 0 to 3 days when the delivery happened, 0 to 3 days, so we can consider it as a fast delivery, and 4 to 7 days as a standard, and slow delivery is 8 to 14 days, and very slow is 15 plus days. And this bar chart below the bar chart is explain total orders by order status. Mm, and this chart is explaining the low rating orders. We are given the orders and the customers are given the rating, and which orders is getting the low rating in the location wise we can see. And the numbers are explaining the total orders. The late orders is the 8k. Out of the total orders is the 99k, and out of 99, 8k is the late orders. And the reasons we are explaining this dashboard, what is the why we are getting the late orders. And 625 is the cancel orders, and 97 is the on-time delivery percentage, and 12.5 is the average delivery days, and 51k is the we are getting on orders. Out of these orders, the customers are some of the customers are taken installments, so we can see the installment orders is a 51k. Yes, thank you.